Do you want to make extra cash this Christmas without feeling like you're working 24/7? Whether you're saving for gifts, a vacation, or just padding your bank account, I've got you covered. Today I'll tell you several incredible side hustles to boost your holiday income, and you don't need any special skills to get started. Stay tuned until the end for a bonus tip and a link to resources that can help you start earning today. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please hit the like button because that really does energise me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Let's get into this tutorial. Here we go, let's get started with tip number 1, which is to sell seasonal crafts or gifts. Christmas is the perfect time to sell handmade items like ornaments, rafts, or custom mugs. Platforms like Etsy make it simple to reach holiday shoppers. Even if you're not very crafty, you can source unique items locally and resell them online at a markup price. Think about trends like personalised gifts. For instance, you could create customised stockings with people's names or offer pre-made hot cocoa kits. These are easy to make but highly profitable. Packaging them in a festive way will increase their appeal. You can promote your products through social media or at a local holiday market. Even just posting on Facebook Marketplace can bring in some fast sales. With a little creativity, your crafts could turn into a holiday hit. Let's now move on to tip number 2, which is to offer gift wrapping services. Not everyone enjoys wrapping gifts, especially when they have a mountain of shopping to do. You can set up a gift wrapping service. You only need some wrapping paper, ribbons and gift tags to actually get started. You can offer this service at home or partner with local businesses. For instance, a bookstore or a toy shop might let you set up a table and wrap purchases for their customers. In exchange, you might give them a small cut of your earnings. You can advertise your services with flyers or a post on local community groups. You can charge per gift or offer packages like wrap 10 gifts for $50. Time it right and you could be wrapping your way to hundreds of dollars. Let's now move on to tip number 3, which is to rent out your stuff. If you've got holiday decorations, extra heaters or even a spare room, you can rent them out. Apps like Liama let you rent items like Christmas lights or snow machines to people who need them temporarily. You could also rent out your car for extra cash, using Turo or your driveway for parking during busy holiday events. For example, if you live near a Christmas market, people will pay to park close to the action. This strategy requires minimal effort and the extra income can add up very quickly. Just make sure to check your local regulations if you're renting out space or using vehicles. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is to offer holiday light installation. Many people like the idea of decking out their homes with holiday lights, but don't have the time or the ladder to do it. This is where you can come in. Offering a light installation service can be both fun and lucrative. You can start by promoting locally, post photos of your own decorated house or create a simple flyer advertising your services. You can charge based on the size of the job, with rates ranging from $100 to $500 for larger homes. Make it easy by asking clients to provide the lights so you don't need a big upfront investment. If you're feeling ambitious, you can partner with a local store to recommend light sets and earn a referral bonus. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is to sell holiday themed digital products. If you have a knack for design, consider creating printables like holiday planners, gift tags or festive phone wallpapers. These are simple to make using tools like Canva, and they can be sold on Etsy or Gumroad. I recommend to focus on items people can print at home. For example, you could sell a holiday budget planner to help families manage their Christmas spending, or a Santa letter template for the kids. Both are very easy to create and in high demand. You can promote your products through Pinterest or on TikTok to reach more people. You can create a quick video showing how your planner works and include a link to help people purchase. The best part, digital products can earn you passive income after the initial creation. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is to start a seasonal blog or vlog. If you enjoy sharing tips, now's the time to start a blog or a vlog about holiday hacks, recipes, or budget-friendly gift ideas. People are actively searching for this type of content in December. For example, you could create a video about the 10 gifts under $20 or write a blog post on how to save $500 on Christmas shopping. You can use affiliate links in your content to earn commissions when people buy the products that you are recommending. Even if you don't see huge income immediately, this hustle can pay off long term as you grow your audience. Plus, platforms like YouTube and Medium let you monetize your content with ads or memberships. Let me now give you tip number 7, which is to become a personal shopper. Some people love giving gifts but hate the process of finding and buying them. You can offer your services as a personal shopper. You can help clients find the perfect presents while you earn a fee for your time. This hustle works especially well if you're familiar with local stores or have an eye for the deals. You can create a questionnaire to understand your client's needs and charge either by the hour or per gift. You can promote yourself to busy professionals or families through LinkedIn, local Facebook groups, or even word of mouth. A few happy clients could easily lead to referrals, doubling your income very quickly. Let's now move on to tip number 8, which is to bake holiday treats. Everyone loves holiday cookies, pies, and cakes, but not everyone has the time to actually bake them. If you have a talent in the kitchen, you can turn it into cash by selling holiday-themed treats. Think about classics like gingerbread cookies, or go unique with gluten-free or vegan options. You can package your items in festive boxes and include small extras like recipe cards to make them stand out more. You can advertise on Instagram through local Facebook groups or at community events. Taking pre-orders can help you manage demand and avoid waste. One busy weekend could easily bring in a few $100s. Let's now move on to tip number 9, which is to offer a holiday cleanup service. Once the holidays are over, people dread taking down decorations, cleaning up pine needles, or packing away the lights. You can step in and offer a post-holiday cleanup service. You can charge a flat rate to remove and store decorations or add extra services like carpet cleaning or trash removal for an additional fee. Market this to busy families or older adults who might not be able to manage the work themselves. This side hustle is great because it's a niche service with minimal competition. A few well-placed ads can get you booked out for the week after New Year's, ensuring a strong start to your January income. Let me now give you tip number 10, which is to rent out holiday costumes. Do you have a Santa suit, elf costume, or even reindeer antlers lying around? You can rent them out. Many families, schools, and businesses host holiday events and need costumes but don't want to buy them outright. You can post your items on platforms like Facebook Marketplace or local community boards. You can charge a daily rental fee and include a refundable deposit to protect against damage. Offering delivery or pickup options can also increase convenience for renters. If you don't have costumes already, you can find affordable ones at thrift stores or buy them in bulk online. This is a low-effort side hustle that pays off big during the festive season. Let's now move on to tip number 11, which is to host a pop-up gift shop. You can turn your home, garage, or even stall at a local market into a pop-up gift shop. You can sell popular items like scented candles, cozy blankets, or holiday cards. If you don't want to source the products yourself, consider drop shipping holiday-themed items instead. You can curate bundles such as relaxation kits with candles, teas, and socks, or tech lover kits with accessories like phone grips and charging cables. Bundles save shoppers time and boosts your sales. You can promote your shop on social media and focus on urgency with limited time offers like one weekend only. Pop-ups create buzz and can be a fun way to meet your community while earning some extra money. Let's now move on to tip number 12, which is become a holiday photographer. The holiday season is full of moments people want to capture, such as family photos, holiday cards, or even Instagram-worthy portraits. If you have a good camera and a good eye for photography, you can offer affordable mini photo sessions. You can set up a festive backdrop with props like garlands, fairy lights, and snowflake cutouts. You can do this in your home, at a local park, or even at a community event. You can charge a flat rate for 20 to 30 minute sessions and provide edited digital photos afterwards. This is especially popular for families and pet owners looking to create memorable Christmas cards. A few sessions per weekend can add up to a significant income by the end of the season. Okay, so there you have it, 12 powerful ways you can use to create an extra income for Christmas. Now, the next thing to do to accelerate your learning even further is click the link in the description box below this video right now and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com, and you can get instant access to our comprehensive online training courses and resources. These are fantastic resources and are perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels, and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online business, and will also help you to generate a decent income online. So take action and check out that link right now below to learn more. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I can only help you if you are subscribed. And please give the video a thumbs up, because that really does energise me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel, and have a wonderful day.